Well, just got this today in an estate sale, along with a few old cassette tapes for $5. This is an old Craig, no. Channel Master 8-track player. Come on, focus. Channel Master. Case. 2 original speakers with it. And the radio, I mean, whenever I was testing it there at the sale, the radio seemed to be very distorted. Right channel wasn't doing good on the radio. I still had to do some work on it. The 8-track had a deteriorated belt. I finally got that fixed. Well, it's still kind of dirty on there, but at least it's playing, and I got a new belt on there. I even had to replace the motor because some of the deteriorated belt stuff had gummed up in the motor, and the motor wouldn't turn easy. Luckily, I had an old RCA 8-track player receiver combo with the radio. Didn't work on it at all. It was not in good shape. It was just sitting out in the garage for parts. So I got its old motor out, and I used it to run in this one. It's an AC motor unit, and it's running. Muffled 8-tracky sound to it. When you don't have good foam pads and don't have the cleanest head. Well, this head isn't too badly dirty though. There's the foam pads. But see the amplifier board in there. I mean, it uses the power transistors, power supply board, different radio boards. And this thing, turn the radio tuner, it turns that. That lights up. From the back side, I think something going on with the 8-track. Oh man, look at some of that deteriorated pad stuff got on my deteriorated belt stuff got on my bed. It was a mess. It would keep on getting on me. I'd wipe it on Q-tips and toilet paper. Alcohol gets this stuff off pretty good. Crosstalk. Tools. The old speakers. They actually sound pretty good for their size, and just having one 6.5-inch full range, they actually put out a pretty good bass for their small size. Doesn't seem to be that very powerful though. This was kind of recorded weak though, I think. This is not making good tape-to-head contact. As you can hear, it sounds extremely muffled. Sound that I kind of call 8-tracky, because a lot of 8-tracks tend to sound that way. It's a classic kind of sound. You can kind of enjoy it, you know. It's a classic old 8-track sound. Some of the old belt stuff is stuck on there. That's pretty cool sounding. Yep, none of the circuit boards have that green coating on it. It's all old. I'm guessing this is from the late 60s, maybe the early 70s. All germanium transistors. No chips, no silicon transistors. All germanium, I believe. Maybe not. There might be some silicon transistors in
Against the worst scum of the universe. So don't fear us, cheer us. Whoever gets near us, don't hear us. We're fearless. Send my beams, keep my false flag. Men in black.
Can't see the track lights. The distinguish which one's lit up that well and the sunlight coming out these windows, but number 2 is lit up. Looks like number 1 isn't working. Yeah, you can see it in the crack. Let's see how the radio is working. The right channel is doing weak on the radio. Probably a leaky capacitor. Well, this sounds hundreds of times better than it did whenever I tested it out at the sale. It sounded distorted at the sale. It's giving me some more hope. I think it's just a bad capacitor for the right channel on the radio section. Because my electrophonic one had some bad capacitors that hindered the right channel.
Eric Coleman and Gary Rhodes are the end. Oh well.
Oh, I like this song.
Some dreams, they were clouds in my coffee, clouds in my coffee. You're so vain.
About sudden violent remorse. We don't.
AM, let's see how that goes.
We believe in him should not perish.
Same on that with the right channel.
Doesn't take up any.
Phone's exclusive program.
Sundays, 3 o'clock.
Well, once I get the whole thing going good, I'll make a video of it while it's all in its case set up. But, well, I'm getting more hope now. The radio doesn't sound distorted anymore. It's just coming over one speaker, but I'm very, very sure that it's just a leaky capacitor. And I'll be checking for, putting the capacitor across, and then if I get the thing coming through the right channel, I'll know that's it, and I'll solder it in, and put it all back together, and try to clean off those sliders and get me a little good channel master 8-track player and receiver combo. Well, cassette master, channel master, signing off.